Hey everyone, here's another interesting test I wanted to highlight for the GoodUI Evidence project. It's test 38. It was recently added by Vito from Metler Toledo, which is a company that sells very specialized measurement equipment, very high scale scientific ways and scales and so forth. And what this test shows, it makes a case for what we call smaller commitments. We call this test an inline versus overlay form. And there was detected a strong 32% increase to leads, so measured by form submissions. Here's the control. So it's a landing page with a free guide, and essentially it's a lead generation page. In the control, the form is presented in line with lots of fields and a request for download the guide button at the bottom. And in the tested variation, we have the same information except the form is hidden, only shown after clicking a particular button, request or download the guide, which opens up a modal window with the same form fields. And this variation did 32% better in terms of form submissions, in terms of lead generation. And yeah, so it's an example for smaller commitments. And I think it works because people might be getting invested in actually, it's easier to do this action, perform this action. Whereas up front here in the control, I think what some people might be feeling is the overwhelming number of fields, which maybe they're put off by. Whereas the button here, for example, looks like, hey, request or download the guide, and only then you actually make the commitment to open this up, and maybe the feeling is like, hey, okay, I already clicked this, I might as well just fill this out. That's, I think, the core idea of the smaller commitment approach. And it's so it's one test that we'll be comparing. Hopefully we'll find other interesting tests like this so we can compare and see if this replicates. All right, thanks.